Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have some slip joint pliers. So these are gonna come in handy for me for various tests, but let's see, it comes in a nice container with this here. Look at that, it's got all these different sizes here, and I'll show you what they look like as we open them up. So, I mean, I'm doing plumbing stuff and electrical stuff all day long, so these are gonna come in handy for lots of stuff. This is you know, the lockjaw ones there, you can loosen it up. Ooh, these slide nice too. Look at that. I can adjust the size. Nice. Oh, you guys can't see. It slides nice along there, but also it gives me the ability to tighten it if I need to at some point. So that is good as well. So I have the total slip ones there. This is a nice big one here, 10 inches. And the biggest one here is the 12-inch one. This one here. So that's, it is almost the same. But it's funny, the 10 and 12 look pretty similar, but I guess they just open up slightly different amounts. So, oh, it looks different on that part as well, slightly. Oh, it's cool. So we've got that, and then it goes all the way down to the smaller ones there. Look at this, I've never seen one so small like that. That'll come in handy. Actually, I was doing like a toilet the other day, trying to get that little thing underneath the screw on, and it just wasn't going, so this would have been handy for that, for sure. Really cool, nice little set here. So this is the set. It comes with this little case as well, so I can just roll it up and keep it with me, keep it handy in my toolbox. Just have it rolled up and Velcroed and keep it handy. So this is gonna be totally great. So if you need some of those lock jaw pliers, adjustable ones, this is great.